Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in seeing how I turn my hair from this to this, then make sure you keep watching. I am starting out with my hair freshly washed and deep conditioned. As always, I cannot stress enough how important it is to deep condition your hair regularly. And while you guys are here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and follow me on my hair journey. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a silk press on my natural 4C hair. I always start out with a lot of leave-in conditioner as well. You want to always make sure you're taking care of your hair. Leave it nice and hydrated. I'm using this Carol's Daughter Monoi, and that stuff is so good. I love all the Carol's Daughter's products. So we're gonna just go right into parting my hair. I'm gonna part them into a lot of mini sections just to make the process a lot easier and smoother on myself. So I want to start off by saying I am not a professional hairdresser by any means. I've honestly never even done a silk press on my hair. This is my first time. I am just experimenting and trying out. I've not put heat on my hair in about 3 years, and I've just been really curious about what my hair length looks like when it's straightened out. So this is all just an experiment, and I'm hoping what I'm doing is going to protect my curls, but I'll definitely give you guys an update in one of my upcoming videos about how my curls are doing once I wash out this silk press. Now that my hair is all parted into sections, I'm going to work with one section at a time. I start with adding a little more leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to go in with this Cantu heat protectant for my hair and my curls. When it comes to the blow drying part, I'm going to start by using my hands to pull the hair and putting heat directly to my roots. That just helps dry my roots first, and then I go in with the Demnon brush and kind of comb it through all the way to the ends. You want to make sure your hair is fully dry with the hair dryer. I have my hair dryer set on medium everything, so medium heat. I don't want it too hot and too high because I still have more heat to add to my hair, and you definitely don't want to fry your hair. After this first piece, immediately I was noticing my ends looked a little janky. They looked a little, they need a lot of help. So I immediately was like, okay, I'm definitely gonna have to trim my hair as well. This is great why I needed to add heat, because I've just been trimming my hair when I twist it or I braid it or something. I just been trimming the ends myself. I really need to go to a hair salon, but I'm just so scared because I've not had the best experiences with natural hair salons around me, but I need to put my faith in someone else because I need a good trim and I need some help. But for now, we're going to do it all ourselves, and this is just my process of how I do my hair myself. As someone who used to get their hair done every 2 weeks growing up, like I used to get my hair straightened every 2 weeks at the hair salon. It was so crazy to feel my hair like this again. Like I was just pleased at the feeling. I don't know, it brought me right back to my childhood, and it felt soft and I was feeling myself, and I was really surprised at how long it looked even this fluffy, but those ends got to go. not gonna lie, at this point I was really feeling my hair. I think I decided I'm gonna do like an afro hairstyle coming up, so watch out for that video. But now that my hair is fully blow dried out, I'm gonna go again and section them into smaller parts and work with the flat iron in order to achieve my straight hair and see what it's looking like. So I'm gonna go in and cut the parts as small as possible, like I'm talking small as possible, as small as you can get them. And I'm gonna do the chase method, so I'm going through with the small rat tail comb. And make sure you guys shop BusyDayShopping.com for this rat tail comb. It's so amazing with parting, and it helped me just get out any kind of knots or kinks in my hair during this process. It was amazing. Like, I was so amazed that my hair was able to come out this straight, this soft, no perm, no chemicals, nothing. All I added in my hair was leave-in conditioner and heat protectant. As you guys saw, I didn't even put any oils or anything at this point. This is just my hair with a blow dryer and a flat iron. I am just amazed. Like, I'm so amazed. I was like, this is my hair. Who knew? Just who knew? Now that I'm done flat ironing my hair, I want to go in and try and trim my hair. And again, keyword here is try. I have sectioned off the front part just because I want to cut those shorter than the back. But in general, I'm taking a piece of hair and I am stretching it through with my fingers, and then I am cutting off whatever looks spacey at the end. So that's really my only technique. I just try and cut off the dead ends that are very visible, and I'm making sure I'm using hair shears. So that's my only tip, is just make sure you're using hair scissors / shears. You don't want to go in with your average arts and craft scissors. So I'm just going to go in section by section, do the same thing over and over. I'm not a pro, as I've mentioned in the past. I'm just doing what I think works best for my hair. And with this, it's just going to let my ends flow and be more free, and you won't have all that dead weight and everything on your hair. But look at this, from one side to the other, you can clearly see how much healthier the side that I've cut already looks compared to the other side that I'm now cutting. I know what you're probably thinking, like, what, more heat on your hair? But yes, I'm going in and I'm bumping my ends, so I just could not deal with the blunt edges. Yes, I cut all my hair and they looked good, but I did not like the straight ends. I just had to add a little pizzazz, a little sparkle, a little something, you know, to the ends. And honestly, overall, I think this flat iron, it did a great job of just bumping the ends. And yes, I went through twice with the flat iron, but as you can see, these sections are a lot bigger than when I first went through. So I'm just kind of sloppily going through, bumping the ends and just giving them a little curl, a little pizzazz, a little fun on the end, so it's just not a straight blunt hairstyle. So this is the final product of my hair. Honestly, I was feeling myself. I've not had my actual hair straight in so long. It felt so soft. It was perfect. Honestly, I was so surprised that my hair could turn into this, it could do this. My natural hair is always amazing me every day, I swear. I always thought I needed a perm, I needed a lot of chemicals, I needed all this stuff in order to have straight hair. And just to see my hair actually get straight on its own without a perm is amazing to me, because all my life all I've done is perm my hair. So I'm super excited. I'm super happy with the results. They were giving me life, they were giving me everything. It was just so soft, I could not keep my hands out of my hair. But I enjoyed doing this so much, so I can only imagine if I actually had a professional do my hair, how much better it would come out. But thank you guys so much for watching my video, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye!